This tutorial video is for those of you that have some Canva experience, hoping to show you a few things that you might not have played with yet that might help you with your projects. The first one I already mentioned, it's sharing an editable template with others. So when you go to the share button, you can come down to say use as template and then share a link that way so that you and your co-teachers can all share a file design, making your life easier. So that one person doesn't have to manage everything for the team. The next thing is my favorite tool. This is the background remover tool. If I go into my uploads and I upload a picture, I'm just going to grab a random picture of a person. How about this baby picture of one of my students? Once I upload that picture in, I can insert it, and then let's say that I do not want it to be a square image. I can go into this effect tab and I can select background remover. It will take it a little bit and then it will take away the background. This is something that used to take a million years to do in Photoshop that can be done with one click of the button. If you do not like exactly the way it came out, you can use the eraser tool and go in and get rid of the parts that it didn't get rid of. Or if you want it to restore a piece that it got rid of that you want back, you can use the tool to do that as well. It is such a handy, fast tool. It's pretty amazing, actually. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about is the brand toolkit. That is when you go to your home, you'll see a brand kit option on your left toolbar. In that section, you can make a customized color theme or font theme or logo for all of the stuff that you're making for your class. You can see that I actually have a color scheme that I use for everything in my class. It's the in the cards design, and that just makes it easy for me to make all my stuff look exactly the same. If you are a person who's super into these kind of things, I also wanted to show you this website. It's the Adobe Color Wheel. You would just go into Google and search for Adobe Color, and it will let you create your own color themes. One thing that I find really cool about it is that you can also go through and upload a picture, and it will make a color scheme for you based on the picture that you upload. And that's just a cool way to get an exact color match for those of you that are really interested in making things look a certain way. And then you can also use this little toolbar on the left to give you different options from those same pictures, or you can use the color slider to change them to get an exact color code if you're into that kind of thing. And then last but certainly not least, there is a new feature in Canva, and it is called the Prolife Presentation. So if you are on your homepage and you hit presentation, you will see that they give you lots of options. I'm going to just pick talking presentation. And then how cool is this? They have a how to make a talking presentation slideshow embedded into their library. So you can go through it and see exactly how it's done. And when you're ready to set it up, you can hit present and record, and it will actually record your face kind of in a talking bubble. And it just looks really polished and cool. So I would encourage you, if you have the time and gumption, to play with that if you have never done it before, because I think it will be a great tool to have for distance learning, and just giving kids instructions in a more visually appealing way. So enjoy your Canva playing.